How to fix a disappearing mouse cursor in Windows 11. Losing track of your mouse cursor in Windows 11 can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to get work done. Whether it vanishes while you're typing, switching displays, or after a recent update, this issue is more common than you'd expect. In this blog, we'll show you practical ways to bring your mouse pointer back and prevent it from disappearing again. Common causes of cursor disappearance. Typing hides the pointer by default. Background display or scaling issues. Outdated or broken drivers. Touchpad is disabled on laptops. Windows glitches or power management settings. Basic fixes. 1. Change pointer size and color. Making the cursor more visible helps it stand out on busy or dark backgrounds. Steps. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Mouse Pointer, and Touch. Increase the size of the pointer using the slider. Choose a custom color or use the inverted option. 2. Show pointer location with Control key. You can make Windows highlight your cursor every time you press the Control key. Steps. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Mouse. Click Additional Mouse Settings. In the Pointer Options tab, check Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key. Now, whenever you press Control, the system will animate a ring around the pointer. 3. Turn off hide pointer while typing. This default setting hides the cursor when typing in text fields. Steps. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices. Click Additional Mouse Settings. Go to the Pointer Options tab. Uncheck Hide Pointer while typing. Advanced Troubleshooting. Four, restart Windows Explorer. Sometimes Windows Explorer glitches cause display issues, including cursor problems. Steps. Press Ctrl-Shift-S to open Task Manager. Scroll down to find Windows Explorer. Right-click and select Restart. 5. Update or reinstall mouse drivers. Faulty or outdated drivers may cause pointer issues. Steps. Right-click the Start button, Device Manager. Expand mice and other pointing devices. Right-click your mouse or touchpad, Update driver. If that doesn't help, right-click Uninstall device, then restart your PC to reinstall the default driver. 6. Install Windows updates. Microsoft often fixes bugs in updates. Steps. Open Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Install any available updates. Laptop touchpad specific fixes. 7. Make sure touchpad is enabled. Touchpads can get disabled with a shortcut key. Steps. Try pressing FN F6 or FN F9, varies by brand, or go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices touchpad and ensure it's turned on. 8. Disable touchpad power saving. Power saving settings may turn off the touchpad to save energy. Steps: open Device Manager, expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click your touchpad properties, go to the Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Temporary workarounds. If nothing else works, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and press ESC to refresh display. Plug in an external USB mouse. Restart your computer. Final thoughts. A disappearing mouse pointer can seem minor, but it breaks workflow fast. Most of the time, it's a quick fix with settings or driver updates. If you've tried everything and your cursor is still missing, it could point to a deeper hardware issue. Consider professional repair if you're on a laptop.